All right, guys, welcome back to another point of view drive in the Camaro ZL1, man. Now, as you guys can see, it is another sunny day. Well, actually, a sunny hour because it's actually was a little bit bad earlier. But as you guys know, sunny weather means Camaro weather, man. So we're going on a quick point of view drive, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Man, why is it so dirty? Oh yeah. We bring in the noise. Oh shit. God damn, boy, this pops. So I'm actually on my way to get some food, man. I finally got a chance to get up from my work computer and go eat. So I'm like, you know what? The weather is nice right now. You know, fuck it. Just do a point of view drive for y'all, man. Oh, these rims. Look at these rims on this Range Rover right here. You can see it. That look nice. Is that a 5.0? It is a 5.0. Oh yeah, but let me know what you guys have been thinking about these point of view drive videos, man. I need feedback. I did get some feedback from y'all, but I need more, man. Let me know, do you guys like this type of videos? Anything you want to see different with them? Or anything specific with the content you want me to make or see? Let me know, man. But, you know, if you guys do enjoy this type of content, definitely I would appreciate a thumbs up on the video, you know, so I can keep making more content like this. I was hoping he would do a pull or something in the 5.0. Man, you're boring in these cars, man. So many boring owners of muscle cars, man. Live life, man. Know what I'm saying? Live life. Get active a little bit. So this route I'm taking to the place I'm gonna get food, guys, is all city. So you know, I'll try to do a little pull, but you know, it ain't gonna be nothing crazy. But at least you're definitely gonna hear a lot of pops and bangs though. Like this. Why is there so much traffic going back this way? God damn. I do not want to be on this side. wild, man. Not much. But one thing I can say is track mode in this car is definitely the best for holding the gears. Sport mode is for the best torque. For sure. Alright. Like if you're living the car in automatic and you want the best torque all the time, sport mode. You know, definitely. Manual mode, of course, that makes a difference because you're the one holding the gears and controlling the car more. So look at this guy. Oh, he coming. Want to play? I see you. What's good, man? Yeah, I'm filming for YouTube. I make YouTube videos. I'm filming. Huh? All right, yeah, cool. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, that's why you put the sticker on the car, man. A good advertising. You got it? You got it? Yeah, Nigel the Realist. I'm gonna do a pull once he get it. You got it? I appreciate it, dog. Tell y'all, man, watch other car YouTubers soon, man. They're gonna copy you, man. Watch. Copy me as far as putting this big sticker on the car. You know, when I first put it on the car, a lot of people are like, damn, man, why you did that? It's so big. You know, all that. And it's cool. I know it's big. I know it look weird, but she's looking at me like crazy. What? Shit, you better follow too. But yeah, man, a lot of people are like, damn, makes the car look off. Well, actually, not a lot of people told me it looks off, but one guy was like brave enough and he's like, yo, you know, can I tell you something? No disrespect, you know, the sticker makes the car look off. And he's mainly talking about this one, right? The big one going across. But I'm telling you guys, man, if you're really trying to promote your page, and put up the window, if you're really trying to promote your page, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or whatever, man, that's a big form of advertising, especially if you have a car that has a lot of attention. People gonna look, and some people gonna follow, some people just gonna look it up, because I tell you, I see a lot of people just looking it up and they don't follow, but you know, you're going to get some followers from it, you know, so it's a pretty good investment I did. I feel like I've already gotten my money back on the on what I paid for this already. It was like about, how much did the guy charge me? He charged me 90 bucks or something like that. And I think I paid a little extra, like an extra 40 bucks for the two on the side skirts. You know, to me, if I'd only get 2 subscribers or 2 followers, to me, I got my money back, man. That's worth it enough for me. Trust me, like every bit of support you get counts these days, man. But anyway, man, appreciate all of you all who do support. Oh, hold on, let me put on my free radar detector before I go crazy. It's not even working properly right now. I gotta restart the Waze app.
Police reported ahead.
Yeah, y'all ain't holding me today. Not today, boys. Oh, there's another Camaro right there. Hey, looking. Appreciate it, my boy. Where was the 2 police? Is the map outdated or the alert is already outdated, it seems? I feel like some of the police officers, they use Waze as well. And if they see somebody, like, report them on the map, they just move, man. Because a lot of times it's like, I see the reports, and sometimes the report shows how many people reported. So you will see the police officer sign, and then you'll see a number on it, which shows, like, you know, how many is. I think it's either how many officers or how many people reported. But sometimes that number is high, man, and then you pass by and then the officer is gone. So I really think, you know, they catching on to us, boy. This thing popping, man. All right, boy. He trying to get it. Oh, he cutting up. Oh, he trying to get it too. Oh, boy. It's like one person leads to another in the temptations. But you're lucky. I don't be doing that cut in and out of traffic like that. I don't like to disrupt traffic. I'm a hitter. Boy, you have no idea. Hey, that traffic saved you, boy, revving that Camaro over there. That traffic saved you, boy. I'm telling you, you don't know. I'm telling you, a lot of people that beat this car, it's either they use traffic, you know, to dodge and get away and shit, or, you know, they just have a faster car, bro. You know, it's very rare that I meet a car that beats the Camaro ZL1 on the road, man. You know, and some of these dudes are really modded, like 1,300 horsepower, 1,000. A lot of them, you wouldn't even see them on the street like that. Usually, like, you know, they either like only on the track or they just sleeping, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, if you guys get a Camaro ZL1, that's one thing I can promise you. Not many people are gonna be a challenge on the road. You know, you're gonna have a lot of people challenging you, but they're not gonna be a real challenge, I'll tell you that, man. It's just gonna be, but a lot of people just do it for fun. They know they can't beat the car and they just do it for fun, which is pretty cool. Dang, God, that guy about to blow his engine. No, this Mercedes Benz. Let's see what he got. You think I didn't see you trying to hit it? Come on now. Go ahead and try something now. Yeah, every time the road is clear, you all don't want to do nothing. Every time it's clear. Boy, I be telling you. These dudes be funny, man. They will hit it all day in traffic or wrong cars, but when it's a clear shot. Thank you, buddy. Nigga almost made me miss the light. Come on. God damn. Hey. But I am at my food location, man. Damn, why is it busy at this time, bro? I specifically came here at this time because it's usually not that busy. But for those of you all who know this place here, the Dutch spot, that is my spot, man. I don't think this is everywhere, but if you got a Jamaican Dutch spot, man, in your area, you blessed, I'll tell you. That food is the shit. That is the shit, man. Let's get it. I need my shade. I need my shades. Nah, it's kind of dark, man. I don't really need shades. But all right, boys, that is the end of this POV. I might do one coming back from this place. I don't know yet. Actually, no, I got food in the car, so I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna go crazy. But appreciate y'all boys watching, man. Leave a thumbs up on the video if you enjoy this type of content. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man.